Warning: 8 morning signs of diabetes you shouldn't ignore. Did you know that overnight, all of us experience a spike in blood sugar levels, even though we might not realize it? This happens because healthy insulin levels in the body regulate it as needed. This natural occurrence is due to our liver releasing glucose to prepare the body for a new day and to boost our energy levels. In today's video, we'll explore 8 alarming morning signs that could be your body's way of warning you about diabetes. Morning health is often the clearest reflection of what's happening inside your body. Let's get started. Number 1. Morning blood sugar spike. The early morning nightmare, that's how many people describe the phenomenon of morning blood sugar spikes. But do you know the real reason behind it? This phenomenon is known by the rather dramatic name, the dawn phenomenon. It refers to a sudden increase in blood sugar levels in the early morning, typically between 3 and 8 a.m. Why does this happen? It's because your body is preparing to wake up. Hormones like cortisol, glucagon, and epinephrine are released at this time to wake you up, but they unintentionally stimulate the liver to produce more glucose, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. According to the American Diabetes Association, ADA, up to 54% of people with type 1 and type 2 diabetes experience this phenomenon. One user on a health forum shared, "I always wake up feeling exhausted, and my blood sugar rises from 110 to 200 overnight. It's truly shocking." Here's something not everyone knows: eating a late dinner, especially meals high in carbohydrates, can worsen this effect. Research from Harvard University indicates that eating close to bedtime can increase the likelihood of experiencing the dawn phenomenon the following day. However, don't be too quick to blame your body entirely. If mornings are a time of hope for many people with diabetes, it's when they start that battle with their blood sugar levels, and sometimes, it's just your body's way of reminding you to treat it with a little more care. Number 2. Excessive thirst. Call it the desert's call from inside your body. But if you wake up feeling like you've wandered through the Sahara all night, your body might be trying to tell you something more serious than just needing a glass of water. Excessive thirst, also known as polydipsia, is one of the classic signs of diabetes. This happens when your body tries to compensate for the water loss caused by flushing out excess sugar through urine. Imagine it this way: when blood sugar levels rise, your kidneys work overtime to filter the sugar, leading to more frequent urination, rapid dehydration, and, as a result, unquenchable thirst. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, about 1/3 of people newly diagnosed with diabetes report experiencing uncontrolled thirst. Studies also reveal that in addition to high blood sugar levels, electrolyte imbalances caused by diabetes can amplify feelings of thirst. Interestingly, researchers found that people who consumed salty foods the night before were more likely to feel excessively thirsty the next morning, even if their blood sugar wasn't unusually high. Sure, your body might just be trying to help you set a personal record for water consumption in a day, but who would have guessed it's also screaming, "Check my blood sugar now." Up next, we'll talk about another warning sign you shouldn't ignore. Ready? Let's keep going. Number 3. Headaches. Good morning, or should I say, good morning headache. Morning headaches aren't just signs of sleep deprivation or stress. For those with diabetes, they can be a signal that something is seriously wrong with your blood sugar levels. Morning headaches often occur when blood sugar swings to either extreme. Overnight hypoglycemia, low blood sugar, deprives the brain of energy, while hyperglycemia, high blood sugar, puts excessive pressure on blood vessels, leading to a throbbing discomfort. According to the Endocrine Society, nearly 1/3 of diabetes patients experience this phenomenon. But it's not just about the numbers. Every headache is a warning sign, and ignoring them could lead to unwanted consequences. Here's something people often overlook: dehydration plays a significant role too. While you sleep, your body continues to lose water through breathing and sweating. For people with diabetes, this process happens faster due to the body expelling excess sugar through urine. The result? Constricted blood vessels and intensified headaches. If you wake up feeling like your brain is being twisted, don't just reach for a cup of coffee. It might be the perfect time to check your blood sugar levels. Number 4. Increased hunger. Your stomach this morning seems ready for an eating contest. Morning hunger hits like a tsunami, even if you had a hearty dinner the night before. But for those with diabetes, this isn't just about an empty stomach, it's a sign of something more serious. This phenomenon occurs when your body gets caught in a cycle of fluctuating blood sugar levels overnight. If your blood sugar spikes too high, your body releases insulin to bring it down, but sometimes the insulin overcompensates, leading to hypoglycemia, low blood sugar, and waking you up with intense hunger. Scientists at the University of Cambridge call this the boomerang effect. Blood sugar rises, insulin reacts too quickly, and you wake up feeling like you could eat the entire world. Research from the Mayo Clinic shows that this affects 40% of people with type 2 diabetes, especially if their dinner included a lot of carbohydrates or sugary foods. These individuals often feel not just hungry but intensely craving food, from bread and pastries to anything within reach. Another factor worsening this condition is an imbalance in the hormones leptin and ghrelin, which makes the hunger feel impossible to resist. Think of it this way: morning hunger isn't just your body reminding you to eat, it's a warning that your blood sugar levels and diet need better management. Otherwise, this bottomless pit will keep pulling you into an endless cycle. Number 5. Morning fatigue. You've been recharging all night but wake up feeling like your battery is at 1%. Morning fatigue for people with diabetes isn't just a sign of a restless night. When blood sugar stays high throughout the night, your body works overtime to eliminate the excess sugar, leaving you waking up drained. On the flip side, if your blood sugar drops too low during the night, your cells don't get enough energy to repair and regenerate, leading to severe fatigue. For most people, the body naturally boosts alertness in the morning through the hormone cortisol, but for those with diabetes, blood sugar fluctuations disrupt this cycle. Research from Stanford University shows that over 60% of people with diabetes report prolonged morning fatigue, especially those who don't manage their blood sugar well before bedtime. Another lesser-known factor is the connection between morning fatigue and dehydration during sleep. As the body expels sugar through urine overnight, it loses significant amounts of water, leaving you dehydrated and worsening the feeling of exhaustion. This also explains why many people with diabetes feel like they can never drink enough water after waking up. Additionally, this condition may be accompanied by muscle soreness and reduced focus in the early hours, making mornings even more challenging. Number 6. Dry mouth. Why does your mouth feel like it's been sealed shut every morning? Dry mouth, or xerostomia, isn't just an annoying inconvenience. When blood sugar levels are high overnight, your body works to eliminate excess sugar through urination. This process causes you to lose water more quickly than usual, leaving you with a parched feeling upon waking up. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Saliva serves as a crucial natural defense, maintaining the pH balance in your mouth, preventing bacterial growth, and keeping your teeth and gums healthy. When saliva production decreases due to dehydration, you're not only left with a sticky mouth and a dry tongue but also at a higher risk of cavities, bad breath, and gum disease. According to research from the University of Michigan, individuals with diabetes experiencing dry mouth are twice as likely to develop cavities and 70% more likely to suffer from gum disease compared to those without diabetes. Dry mouth doesn't just impact oral health, it can disrupt your sleep. Many people wake up during the night to drink water, and this cycle leaves you feeling exhausted in the morning. Here's something lesser known: prolonged dry mouth can alter your sense of taste, making food less enjoyable or even tasteless. Additionally, this condition is often linked to reduced function of the salivary glands due to the long-term effects of diabetes. This isn't just a temporary symptom, it can become a chronic issue if blood sugar levels aren't well managed. Number 7. Tingling or numbness in the limbs. Ever wake up feeling like your hands and feet are being pricked by thousands of tiny needles? Or worse, they feel completely numb, as if disconnected from your body. These aren't ordinary symptoms of sleep, but rather potential signs of nerve damage caused by prolonged high blood sugar levels. Tingling or numbness in the limbs, also known as peripheral neuropathy, occurs when elevated blood sugar damages the small nerves in the hands and feet. What's alarming about this symptom is that it's not just uncomfortable, it can silently progress, leading to a complete loss of sensation in the affected areas. According to the American Diabetes Association, up to 50% of people with diabetes experience this condition, with its severity depending on how well blood sugar is managed. A study from Johns Hopkins University found that individuals with frequent blood sugar fluctuations are twice as likely to develop nerve damage compared to those with stable levels. The research also revealed that this damage isn't only tied to high blood sugar but also to poor blood circulation caused by the narrowing of small blood vessels in the limbs. What's more, the tingling or numbness doesn't just occur when you wake up, it often becomes more pronounced after sleeping in a poor posture, which further restricts blood flow. Some patients have described the sensation as small electric currents running through their fingers and toes, or a tightness that makes their limbs feel completely numb for minutes. Others report sharp pain or a burning sensation in their limbs, especially in the early morning. These aren't fleeting signs but rather warnings that the nerves have been under stress for an extended period. This nerve dysfunction can escalate to more severe complications, such as foot ulcers and infections, which may go unnoticed due to the loss of sensation until it's too late. Tingling or numbness in the limbs, with all its discomfort and potential risks, is a complex symptom closely tied to disrupted blood sugar control and impaired circulation. Number 8. Frequent urination. Do you feel like you've been running to the bathroom so often you could describe every tile on the floor? For people with diabetes, frequent morning urination is a signal that shouldn't be ignored, especially if it happens right after waking up. Frequent urination in the morning occurs because your body has been working all night to expel excess sugar from your blood through urine. When blood sugar levels exceed the kidney's threshold, about 180 mg per deciliter, glucose spills into the urine, dragging a significant amount of water along with it. As a result, instead of waking up refreshed, you feel drained and dehydrated at the start of your day. According to a study by the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases, around 60% of people with type 2 diabetes report experiencing frequent morning urination, especially after a night of poorly controlled blood sugar. Another contributing factor is drinking large amounts of water before bed, which forces your body to work harder overnight. Beyond the inconvenience, frequent urination comes with additional risks. High glucose levels in urine create an ideal environment for bacteria to thrive, increasing the risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs. These infections aren't just uncomfortable, they can lead to serious complications if left untreated. An often overlooked fact is that frequent morning urination may also signal that your kidneys are under excessive stress from prolonged high blood sugar. This strain is a primary contributor to chronic kidney disease, a dangerous complication commonly associated with diabetes. So, if you find yourself running to the bathroom as soon as you wake up, it's not just a sign of dehydration. It's your body sending a clear message that it needs special care and attention.